You know, that truggy chassis was just too small. So now I'm going to try this one. This chassis is from a Tamiya DualHunter. The DualHunter is a 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive dual-engine truck. It has a motor controlling the front wheels and a separate motor controlling the rear wheels. Now we'll take this monster machine and control it using a gamepad. The first thing we'll do is get rid of the receiver, since we'll be replacing it with a Raspberry Pi. I'll remove the body posts and other parts I don't need to make room for more electronics. Now I'll move the speed controller to make room for the servo controller. The servo controller is a PCA 9685. It's what lets the Raspberry Pi control the servos and the speed controller. I have other videos with a detailed wiring for the PCA 9685. The instructions are also on my website. Now I'm going to secure the Raspberry Pi to the chassis. I'm putting some foam under it to keep it safer than it was on the little truggy. So hopefully now if it goes on an uncontrolled dash into a wall, it won't break everything. I'm securing the Raspberry Pi with wires right now. I'll make a better harness for it using the 3D printer later. We're almost done here. We just need to install the back so we can power the Raspberry Pi using the car's battery, and add a longer camera cable so I can put the camera on the front. Now the new Rover is good to go.